My name is not Mara Dyer, but my lawyer told me I had to choose something. A pseudonym, a nom de plume for all of us studying for the SATs. I know that having a fake name is strange, but trust me, it's the most normal thing about my life right now. You know, even telling you this much probably isn't smart. But without my big mouth, no one would know that a 17-year-old who likes Death Cab for Cutie was responsible for the murders. No one would know that somewhere out there is a B student with a body count, and it's important that you know, so you're not next.